Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm excited to be here with you, and I'm cooking some pork loin chops. They're a pretty thick cut. Gonna get them here on the Weber Kettle. Get this smoke on my face. We'll cook them here on the Weber Kettle. We're gonna sear them up a little bit, cook them indirect till they're nice and done, and gonna be super juicy, super tasty. Guys, let me show you what we're doing. All right, guys, I got 6 pretty nice looking top loin pork chops. Look like they're a good 1.5 to 2 inches thick and should be very nicely done. And we're going to keep this very simple. It's getting dark on me and I'm trying to beat some of that, even though I've already broke out lights. Got some SPG plus butter from Grillaholics. Link below, guys. If you want to try some of this, I believe it's 20% off. I know some of y'all have already jumped on that deal and know how good this stuff is. This is probably my favorite rub of the Grillaholics lineup, and it's a good lineup. Alright guys, get these flipped over. Repeat the process. Don't forget your sides and your ends. Guys, when this fire comes up to temp, we're going to get the charcoal dumped, bring it up to temp, and get these bad boys on the grill. Guys, let's get this dumped. For typical 2-zone fire. Spread this out a little bit. Get a grate on. Get this thing heated up. Alright, as you can see, we have lost daylight. I'm going to get these on direct for just a few minutes on each side. Not going for pretty here. Got a good spot right there. Alright guys, come back about 2 or 3 minutes and give these guys a flip. Alright guys, let's come in here and give these guys a flip. Let's see if they're, oh yeah, look at there. Looking good, looking good. Like everything I see. Let's do, this was about 3.5 minutes actually. It took me a little bit longer, but it ain't gonna take as long to cook. Look at there. Excellent, guys. Let's do this on the other side. We'll go indirect to finish up. Alright guys, let's see what we got here. Pretty sure that one can be moved. Definitely going to check some temps on these guys. Want to get them indirect. Oh yeah. Oops. Alright Rogers, get it together. Get it together. Oh yeah. Looking good. I want to keep that as indirect as I can get. Over there, if you can see that. And take this one over here. See how far we need to go. 104. We ain't got 100. 110. I'll tell you what, this ain't gonna take that long over here. We're gonna cook the rest indirect. And yeah, till we're done. Alright, and just because I can, I got a piece of cherry wood here. We're gonna throw a little smoke on here, maybe. Get up there. Throw that right on top there. Get a little smoke action going. Check back here in a few minutes. Definitely got a little smoke rolling. I'm gonna give these guys a flip. Gonna check some temperatures. That's some good looking chops, let me tell you. Pretty sure I'm claiming that one right there is mine. And just for fun, ooh, that smoke's right there in my face. I don't know if you can see this. We're very close. Oh, we're about there. 146, we're that way across the board. Yes, we are done. That one go a little bit longer. We're right there on all of them. Let me get these off of here and we'll get them inside and let them rest and we'll plate these guys up. Alright guys, check out this beautiful pork loin chop. Come in here and grab a couple green beans. They left me a little bit in here. And Mama whooped up some mashed taters for us. Did you look at that? Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this guy right in half. Get a look at that, hold my plate still. Look at that. Definitely got some juices in there. Good pork chop. Dog wants some. Cut this up and get a bite of that, guys. Marvelous. Get a bite of that. Alright guys, beautiful. Beautiful. Smells good. Got a little hint of that cherry wood in there. It wasn't on the smoke that long, so it just got a little hint of it. I can smell it. Temperature is important when doing these loins because it's very lean meat and it's very easy to dry out. Piece of meat right in my tooth. It's very easy to dry out. Pulled that right at 140 and it probably went up to 145 in the rest. It probably rested for maybe 5-10 minutes before I got a hold of it. So excellent guys, give this a try. About 3.5 minutes on each side. Pull it indirect and let it cook the rest of the way. And I added the smoke when I pulled it indirect. So that's how we cook this. Another bite for you. Excellent. Set down for you. Guys, thank you so much as always. Really appreciate you tuning in every week, and I'll keep doing these as long as you keep watching them, guys. Guys, thanks as always. Please hit that like button, it helps us out a lot. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification to let you know every time I post a new video. Guys, until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye. Better hurry.
Is it ready for creating another day?